Does your rubber seal on your slide room look like this? That's no problem. Just slide it up. And shoot a screw in it. That's all you got to do. And it'll stay up there then. There you go. It won't slide down anymore. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. It's a beautiful, almost spring day here in southern West Virginia. We're at Greenbrier, Red Rock on the Greenbrier, on the beautiful Greenbrier River here in southern West Virginia. It's right over there. You can't see it. We are changing bulb seal today. Gentleman noticed this bulb seal up here. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's starting to come apart, and so I ordered him a box of bulb seal. It comes in a 50-foot box, so we're just going to just start doing. We're going to do the side of this one, the top of the other two. The top of this one was changed a year or two ago, so it's in good shape. And we're just gonna go till we run out of bulb seal. So this is a pretty easy job. It's well, just let me show you rather than try and tell you. If this has been installed properly, there should be a screw right here. It's inside the bulb seal. You just gotta go in there and find it. There's your screw, and there'll be one at the top. Let me get my ladder. There is no screw up here. There was just one on the bottom. Now there is, a lot of times there will be silicone. So we need to cut that silicone with a nice sharp knife. Once you get the silicone cut, you can start pulling the bulb seal off. Once you get some of it pulled off, oh, sneaky buggers put another screw in there, I believe, or it's a staple sticking out. I can't tell whether it's a screw or a staple. Oh, it's a screw. Well, that's tricky. You never know what they're going to do to you. It's up here 6 inches from the bottom of that bulb seal. Now there will be a, oh, that screw's broke off. The head's broke off. Well, that's odd. Oh, it goes from the inside out. Isn't that special? Yeah. Alright, wonder how many of them will go up through there. Once you get this started, it should slip off. Now, not this one. I didn't get enough silicone cut. So we'll just strip the old one off. You know what? There might be a screw up there after all. I didn't feel one. Let me go back up there and see. Oh, there it is. I just didn't look hard enough. So there is the old bulb seal. Alright, let me see if I can reach up in here and get that screw out. Yeah. Piece of cake. Now if I can get up off the ground. Oh, yay! I made it. Alright, let's get our bulb seal open. There's the end. We'll leave most of it in the box. Pull some out of the box. Maybe. Maybe we end up pulling it all out of the box. Because it's tangled up. Now there's a couple ways that you can install this. One is the hard way. One is putting it up here and try and hook it, because it's shaped like that, and then it goes on this plastic track which is stapled to the side of the unit. Yeah, you can, like I say, you can put it on there and kind of pull it over and get it to click on. The easiest way to do it is just slide it on. Just slide it on this track. Now this is a little bit easier to do with two people. One person to guide it and one person to pull it, because I'm having to kind of push it on. And there's something wrong with the plastic track here somewhere, that it keeps coming off on us. Awesome. Okay, see, I'm showing you how an expert does this. I think that's what I call this. I tell you, it is much easier to pull it than it is to push it. That's why it makes it a little bit easier if you got two people, which I don't. Getting close. All right, we're up to the top. Now this one, this last part down here, we'll have to just kind of get it clipped on. So I'm going to go up and put the screw up there so it doesn't slip while we're fooling around down here. Just make sure it's pulled up nice and tight to the bulb seal above it, and just shoot our screw right back in it. That'll keep it from slipping. We can go ahead and pull this down here straight and go ahead and cut it off, and then we'll have to get this back on the track down here. Okay. You can sometimes just kind of bend it and put it on there, and that'll work too, which is an alternate method to the other two that I already told you about. Now the track that's stapled to the side of the camper is split down here the last 2 or 3 inches. I think because this track was messed up down here a little bit, that's why it was wanting to come off. You know, once we got up there about 1 foot or so. One small area here. Here we go. Okay, that's it. So if your camper, or maybe you see your neighbor, their bulb seals hanging down below the room, that's because either they didn't put screws in it when they installed the bulb seal, or they drove the screws too deep and actually pulled through the back and is not holding. Well, all right, that's it on this one. Pretty easy job. I'm gonna go around and silicone all those edges. I mean, it's just, yeah, I mean, it really don't make a lot of sense, but the manufacturer does it, so I'm gonna do it too. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my Amazon store in the link below. I think I have this bulb seal in my Amazon store. If you need some, go there, buy it. I am probably gonna go up there and fix another one. Y'all have a fantastic day.